a flexible way of working in rapidly changing world. So the Scrum is frequently used in IT projects. Most of the time, the websites you visit, apps you use were made of Scrum. Scrum began in software industry and has since spread to universities, military, automotive industry, SBI, to marketing agencies, construction crews, and beyond. Anytime you're producing some sort of product, be it a software or a simple email campaign, Scrum can help you organize your team and get more work done in very less amount of time. But that still leaves a lot of questions about Scrum framework. What does the name Scrum mean? Why is Scrum used and how exactly does it work? Well, the first step towards answering all these questions is to drill down a bit further into Scrum's origin and history. So the term Scrum was first introduced by two professors in their 1986 Harvard Business article where they described a rugby style approach to product development. One where a team moves forward while passing a ball back and forth. I'm sure you might have heard of the game rugby, right? That's what I meant to when I say rugby game here. So that's what they refer to, and that's how Scrum came into existence. In the following years, software developers Ken and Jeff each implemented their own version of Scrum in their own companies, and in 1995, the two came together to present and define their version of Scrum, a developed strategy that evolved into Scrum framework that we use today. After that, there have been many improvements to Scrum framework. We do have Scrum documentation, official Scrum documentation that you can refer to. So that's about the history of Scrum. Now to understand Scrum process, you have to got to know the people and the parts of the framework. So let's begin with the different roles that are involved in Scrum team. The Scrum framework is defined by three core roles: the product owner, the Scrum master, and the development team. While the product owner is accountable for work the team is supposed to complete, whether they do it themselves or give it to other team members, product owner not only focuses on the work which is to be completed, but he also manages business and market requirements. The main role of project owner is to motivate the team to align them with the goal and the vision of the project. Remember that product owner is always a single person and not a committee. While product owner can take input from others, but when it comes to making major decisions, ultimately the product owner is responsible alone for that. Next up, we have Scrum Master. Scrum Master is the team's resident facilitator responsible for helping all the team members follow Scrum's theories, rules, and practices. They make sure that the Scrum team has whatever it needs to complete their work, like removing roadblocks that are holding up the progress, organizing meetings, dealing with challenges, and bottlenecks. Last up, we have development team. The development team is exactly what it sounds like, the people working together to deliver product. So despite the development title, Scrum software background, keep in mind that the products developed using Scrum can be anything. So development teams are given the freedom to organize themselves and manage their own work to maximize the team's efficiency and effectiveness. So these are the three important roles which are involved in Scrum team. What do we have here? We have product owner who is responsible for keeping the team in track. Then you have Scrum Master who keeps reminding the team about Scrum policies, rules, and practices. Finally, you have the development team who are responsible for developing the project. Next up, we have the